Never play football with a Triceratops.
He might step on your football. Pop.
He might gobble
He gobble
it up.
it up.
Munch, munch.
Munch, munch. He might sit on it, flattening it like a pancake. Oh no.
So you have to take him to the park and teach him how to play.
Then he might get very, very good.
And then show his friend how to play football and a lot of other sports too.
The dinosaurs might enter the Olympics.
The Ankylosaurus will win the baseball.
The T-Rex would win the long jump. The pterodactyl will win the night jump. The Diplodocus win the basketball.
Leaving no medals for us.
Oh no!
So never play football with a Triceratops.